In today's show, I'm going to be going over how to adjust your bids according to placement inside your Amazon PPC campaigns. This is something that a lot of people are not doing, and if they are doing it, they're not really doing it correctly because they don't really know how to do it. And so what I want to do is walk you through exactly how to adjust your bids inside of each of your Amazon PPC campaigns in order to adjust for top of search, product pages, and rest of search, depending on where we need to go from there. But before I begin, make sure you click the link in the description and get my free Amazon PPC Masterclass. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great videos just like this one. So let's teach you how to calculate top of search. So here we are inside one of my Seller Central campaigns. What I did is just got into one of my campaigns. Inside the campaigns, there's little tabs right here. So I click placement and it comes up with 3 placements: top of search first page, product pages, and rest of search. This should show you the importance of bid adjustment right here. And so what I want you to notice is that there's the impressions, the clicks, click-through rate, spend, cost per click, orders, sales, and ACOS. And what you're looking at here is for top of search on the first page, 38% ACOS with 891 sales, 2,281 clicks with a 7% click-through rate. That's massively different than the next one down, which is product pages. Huge amount of impressions, low click-through rate, lower spend, but only 70 orders. So product pages and rest of search are a tenth, or about 10% of the orders of my top of search. And then look at these ACOSs, 70%, 60%, and then your top of search is 38%. This is why you need to be adjusting your bids. And so yours may look a little different than this, but this is why you need to adjust your bids right here. The proof is right here in front of you. So what we're going to do next is calculate how to figure out what you need to adjust your bid. So right now we're at 198%. I usually do this every month for each campaign. What you want to do is go to date range of about 30 days right here. And then we're going to use my Google Sheet, which you can click down below to check that out. And make sure you copy it over to your Google Drive. And what I'm going to do is just plug in some numbers there and show you how I came up with this. Alright, so here we are inside the Google Sheet for top of search placement calculator or a bid adjustment calculator. So what we're going to do is put in here the orders and the clicks from top of search. So 891 orders, 2281 clicks. And then same thing here for product pages, 70 over 425. And then top of search again, and rest of search. So once we get our numbers in here, it's automatically going to calculate it, but let me just take a step back and show you what this formula is. It's actually pretty easy. The formula for figuring out which bid adjustment you need to place is your best conversion rate divided by your worst conversion rate minus 1. And so what that means is your orders divided by your clicks is going to give you your conversion rate. And then orders divided by clicks is going to give you your conversion rate. And then you take, let me just show you this formula. Conversion rate of your best asset minus your worst will give you your top of search increase minus 1. So that's going to be 137 and 153. And so this is our worst conversion rate. And so what we want to do here is go back to our campaign and make this adjustment to 153. You could even take this a step further and say that your product pages is better than your rest of search as well as far as conversion. So we may even want to increase this a little bit. So we'll come back over here, and instead of product pages stats, I'm going to actually put in instead of top of search stats, I'm going to be putting in the product page stats here. And so 16 divided by 15 minus 1 is 7%. And so we can even increase this one by 7% because it's higher. Now sometimes your top of search may not be higher, so you may need to adjust these. So all you have to do is just change, this is going to be your best conversion rate minus your worst conversion rate, and so, or divided by your worst conversion rate. The key takeaway is 99% of the time the top of search is always going to be your best conversion rate. Occasionally it will not be though. And so when it's not, you need to make sure you adjust for that. And so if your product pages are best, then you're going to put your product pages in right here. and then your worst conversion rate over here. So that's it. That's how you calculate your bid adjustments inside your Amazon PPC campaigns. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and I'd be happy to answer them about this. Make sure you also click the link in the description to get the Google sheet that I created. It's my bid adjustment calculator. Copy that over your Google Drive, use it all you want. And then again, make sure you sign up for my free Amazon 8-week masterclass down below.